We are going on a road trip. Our car is a minivan. We are going to drive the minivan from Florida in the south to Maine in the north. We are going to drive for 4 days. We are taking our dog with us. He is very excited. We are bringing the dog's food. We are bringing a bed for the dog so he can sleep and be comfortable while we drive. We are also bringing dog shampoo in case he gets dirty and needs a bath, and towels for the dog, and wipes for the dog, and poop bags. We are bringing snacks for us to eat. We are bringing crackers and nuts and peanut butter and oranges and other snacks. We've packed backpacks for our things. Our backpacks have things like our clothes and toiletries. Toiletries are things like toothpaste and toothbrush for brushing your teeth, or dental floss for cleaning between your teeth, things like soap for washing your body, shampoo and conditioner for washing your hair, deodorant for putting under your arms, or contact cleaner and a contact case if you wear contacts in your eyes. The van is packed and the dog is ready. We're gonna start driving. We're gonna head out.